The 5 years after class 12 are the most crucial phase in a student's life. What you choose now can shape your entire career. Many students rush into programs like the Indian CA, CMA, or the CS. All excellent qualifications, but also uncertain and time consuming with high dropout rates and unpredictable timelines. BCom International Finance offers a more structured and assured pathway. In just 3 years, you earn a globally recognized degree while enjoying the full college experience, friends, campus life, and holistic learning. During these 3 years, you can also complete the USCMA, a prestigious international certification that perfectly complements your degree. Now, in the next 2 years of this 5 year journey, while working in a corporate setup, you can take up either the CPA or the CFA, both globally recognized certifications that position you at par with a CA, CMA, or a CS from India. So, at the end of 5 years, you don't just have equivalent credentials, you also have 2 years of corporate experience, multiple global qualifications, and financial independence. It's a smart route, less uncertain, more exposure, and a clear step by step to reach global heights in finance. If you want a path that's assured, time efficient, and globally relevant, choose BCom International Finance. With this, you are not just earning a degree, but building a global career step by step.